We are gathered today to celebrate with Michelle and Shane the first day of their life together as husband and wife. Let us rejoice in their love, for they have made a place for shared love, joy, and celebration. Marriage joins two people into a unique and special relationship with one another, which grows and deepens as each matures through life's experiences.
To my almost wife on our wedding day. Today is the happiest day of my life because it's the start of our new life together. Being married to you means living and laughing with my closest friend, my dream come true, my soulmate. It means I can begin every morning and end every night with the woman I love.
Had some downtime today. You know, I was kind of rolling like I normally do through things. Okay, they're finally getting married, that's great. You know, Shelly, Shane, great, all good. And then I started to think, oh boy, Shelly's my third, my last daughter. And it started to set in how this might be the last time hopefully the last time I do this, you know?
Shane, you are the kindest, most generous man I've ever met. And today, I'm the luckiest girl in the world to be marrying you. You've been destined to be my person and who I've spent so much of my life looking for. I know you love me so much, which is why when we are oil and water fighting, I hate it so much because there is no one else in the world I'd rather be with.
Shelly, the wedding blocks are counted down and the time is finally here. I love you in more ways than you can imagine, even when I'm not the best at always outwardly showing it. This wouldn't be a proper card from me without the scribble. Thank you for putting your number into my phone at the Winfield. I can't wait to see you in your dress and what hairstyle you decided after the countless hours put into deciding, but I know you'll look beautiful and I will forever remember it for the rest of our lives. Thank you for being strong where I am weak. I love you. Can't wait to see you, your almost husband, Shane.
Shane, from the moment I met you on St. Patrick's Day, I knew you were going to be different, but I just didn't know how different. It's been a unique journey to get here, especially through a quarantined engagement, but it has been our own. so thankful that you accepted me for who I am and embraced my not-so-handy family. You even took the Sugar Shane nickname they gave you with a smile. I am thankful every day for your generosity, your compassion, your carefree spirit, your strength, your big heart, your ability to handle my many moods. Through all of my faults, you continue to love me fearlessly and selflessly. You are my home and my adventure all at once, and I can't wait to do this life with you.
Michelle, we may not have the traditional fairy tale beginning with love at first sight, but I certainly wouldn't trade our story for that. You are my fairy tale nonetheless. You opened my eyes to reimagine what it truly means to be loved by and reciprocate that love to a partner. I am confident the roots of our relationship run strong and deep because of how it organically grew. We can sway and bend through the trying times, yet we endure and won't break. I will strive daily to be the man that you deserve, with honor and without waver. And you most certainly are my home and my adventure all at once.
Shane, you may kiss the bride.
Love.